Hi, this is Suje from SNS College of Engineering, working as an assistant professor in AIDS department. Today we are going to see a topic about data expressions and statements. Let us see the introduction to Python first. Python is a general purpose interpreted, interactive, object-oriented, and high-level programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum during 1985 till 1990. Python got its name from Monty Python's Flying Circus. Python was released in the year 2000. And also the Python is interpreted. Python is processed at runtime by the interpreter. You do not need to compile your program before executing it. Python is interactive. You can actually sit at a Python prompt and interact with the interpreter directly to write your programs. Python is object-oriented. Python supports object-oriented style or technique of programming that encapsulates code within object. Python is a beginner's language. Python is a great language for the beginner level programmers and supports the development of a wide range of applications. Next, the features of Python. Python is easy to learn. Python is clearly defined and easily readable. The structure of the program is very simple. It uses few keywords. Easy to maintain. Python source code is fairly easy to maintain. Portable. Python can run on a wide variety of hardware platforms and has the same interface on all platforms. Interpreted. Python is processed at any time, during runtime by the interpreter. So there is no need to compile a program before executing it. You can simply run the program. Extensible. Programmers can embed Python within their C, C++, JavaScript, ActiveX, etc. Free and open source. Anyone can freely distribute it, read the source code, and edit it. High-level language. When writing programs, programmers concentrate on solutions of the current problem. No need to worry about the low-level details. And also it is scalable. Python provides a better structure and support for large programs than shell scripting. Here the applications are BitTorrent file sharing, Google search engine, YouTube, Intel, Cisco, HP, IBM, iRobot, NASA, Facebook, Dropbox. The next one is Python interpreter. To execute a program in a high-level language by translating it one line at a time. Compiler. To translate a program written in a high-level language into a low-level language all at once in preparation for later execution. And here are the differentiation between the compiler and the interpreter. Compiler takes entire program as input. Here the interpreter takes single instruction as input. Intermediate object code as generator, no intermediate code as generator. Conditional control statement or executes faster. Conditional control statements or execute slower. Memory requirement is more, memory requirement is less in the interpreter. Program need to be compiled every time. And in the interpreter side, every time high level program converted into lower level program. Errors are displayed after entire program is checked. Errors are displayed for every instruction interpreter. Example C compiler, and here this Python. The next one is modes of Python interpreter. Python interpreter is a program that reads and executes Python code. It uses two modes of execution, interactive mode, script mode. Interactive mode is nothing but, as the name suggests, allows us to interact with OS. When we type Python statement, interpreter displays the results immediately. And here the advantages are Python in interactive mode is good enough to learn, experiment, or explore. Working in interactive mode, this is the Python program and its result. The next one is the script mode. In script mode, we type Python program in a file and then use interpreter to execute the content of the file. Script can be saved to disk for future use. Python script have the extension .py, meaning that the file name ends with .py, save the code with file name .py, and run the interpreter in script mode to execute the script. This is the example of the Python program, and this is the output. And here the interactive mode and script mode are differentiator. Save and edit the code, can save and edit the code in script mode. If we want to experiment with the code, we can use interactive mode. If you are very clear about the code, we can use script mode. We cannot save the statements for further use, and we have to retype all the statements to rerun them. We can save the statements for further use, and we no need to retype all the statements to rerun them. We can see the result immediately. We can't see the result. We can't see the code immediately. And at last, integrated development learning environment, IDLE. It is a compiler for the Python. It is a graphical user interface editor with syntax highlighting, auto-completion with smart indentation, Python shell to display output with syntax highlighting. Thank you. Let us see the next topic later.